Okay, so it's been a couple days, let's say a week actually, and I finally got back in here to make a little more progress. Uh, that's going to be the reason why on these videos it's going to seem a little choppy because it's just about time and availability. Got to work in between. So this is what I'm going to let y'all in on. So far, let me turn this around. So far on the back, we've got the drum off right here. Huge groove on the inside, huge grooves here. Tough to get off. I couldn't use the adjuster here to loosen up the brakes because it's just completely rusted and terrible. So not able to do anything there. But I did get it off with some prying and whatnot. The other one seems to be different as far as the design goes. I'm going to have to, when I get that off, I will take a look at to see what the difference is. I'll show you that. I've also gotten off both the front brake calipers for right up here. So that's now a lot easier to turn, which is my goal. It's just to make them easier to turn so that I can push the car around, and I'll show you the reason why. Okay, I cleaned that. Look at the difference. I don't know if I should do that to all of them. Let me know. Let me know. So here's my other brake. It's still on here, but there's just no way. You can see everything coming out of it as I've beat on a little bit, but there's just no way that it turns. And what I mean by it being a little different, this one doesn't overlay this back here, or the other one did. There's a groove. So for some reason this is different. I'm also different here. Don't know why. I have to research it and find out. Let me show you again. See, that's smooth. The other one has two holes. This has a groove right here, which had this seat in it. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to get that other one off, and I'll show you what's going on. Come on now. Whew. There's not much left on there. No matter. They're all going to get replaced anyway. But this is what I mean. I don't know, something else I'll have to look up and research. But this one's got a groove. This one doesn't. It's just a lip. Groove. Lip. So, I don't know, maybe it's for left and right. We'll figure it out. Okay, just as an example, I've got these big trailer tires on, but with that drum out, that's going to be so much easier to roll the car around when it's not on dollies. And then got the small ones on the front. Same thing, just to be able to scoot it around, roll nice and easy. So what's next on the checklist? Got to get it off. Gas tank's got to come out. So we're going to drop the tank so that I can get access to the damage that's in this back fin and work on getting that straightened out. So the next thing I get to do is drop the gas tank. Gas tank is in here, in the fin. we'll get up under here. Ooh, cold floor. And drop her down. I don't even know if there's anything inside this tank. So I'm gonna say no. But I do have a drain right there. I check that and see what happens. See if anything comes out. Go ahead and lube up these bolts for these straps here, and see what else I have to get apart. Probably the fill tube, and let's get this out of here. Sounds pretty empty. So here we go. Fuel line disconnected. Next, fill tube. This always happens when you're looking for something else. You find something you needed. This is the key to my lugs for the wheels, and of course, I find it now when I no longer need it. Well, here she comes. And she's out. Let's do a little test here. Fuel, no fuel, of course. That doesn't sound good, but you can hear that in there. That's dirt. Rusted up. Well, fuel tank's out. Got to get the fill line out though, so that I can have access to that area of the car, the fin. So that's next. Got it. Okay. All loose. Now, it should be just a matter of a clamp right here. Let's see here. I just want to get this hose off. What kind of clamp is that? Oh, this thing is absolutely. Okay, just pull it. That's all you gotta do. Just pull it. Comes right out. Well, somewhere along the line, the battery died on my phone, but I just wanted to show real quick that car rolls real easy now with all four tires. On the car, I did get the gas tank out, so it is taken care of. There's the brake calipers, back drums, and the fuel neck for the gas tank. Also, you can see how much that has opened up that area so that I can start addressing this part of the car. Well, a little excursion for a night. Never been here. Cotton Bowl. Probably hear it in the background. Some racing going on, and it's packed. It is packed. I actually know somebody racing, so that's why I'm up here. Just wanted to check it out. Hopefully get a pit pass, get down there and see what's going on. still.
I think it's because it's an all-in-one.
Yeah.
So we'll have to go back.
night. Got to see my friend race his car for the first time out here. They're still racing, but about to wrap up, and I'm getting tired. It's late, so it's time to go. Take it easy.